I can't find a tape.
It is metal.
Oh, a little dish. That's kind of cool. Scooby's helping too.
A little card.
Maybe we can put little candies in there, Kaden.
Yeah, we can put. What do you think? What do you think?
What'd you get, Mommy, Kaden? A hat?
A hat and a lovely dish. Aww, thanks, Fuzzy Bear. Oh, she's taking the inside. What are you doing? Oh, she got it out.
Plastic?
It does. It smells like pool toys.
Hey, Chad!
I'll smell it.
It smells like pool toys.
What's the dry bag for?
Keep things dry.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Mommy, I command you to inside.
Hey, girls, come on. Come on, girls. Come on, Maggie. Help, Maggie.
What? This is another sheet.
Get ready.
It's
Ooh. You know I want one of these.
This is sweet.
We've been talking about this for like 2 years.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
So hopefully we get that roof rack, we'll have room to carry it.
That mountain nearly sinks.
So this is for me and Wriggle. It's a go girl. Go girl. Tell Brad that over. Okay. Okay, that's the actual inside. That's the inside thing. Oh, that's brilliant.
What? Oh, the donkey shoes.
We're out here celebrating Amy's birthday a month late. Kaden's gonna slide down the boat ramp. What?
This is where Daddy almost died from a snake bite.
Kaden found a crawdad.
I'm gonna poke him. Can I touch you?
Well, another day of fishing, another day of no fish. So we are getting ready to go kayaking for Amy's birthday, and the best present of all is that Wrigley has little booties.
She's got booties.
She ain't gonna like it.
I'm so excited.
Come here, Wrigley. Come here. Come here. Wrigley, come here. Come on. Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Oh, she's ready now.
Neither sun nor star for 3 days. Wicked north wind and the cold rain. Storm tossed by the storm waves. No land in sight. No saving grace. I heard the cry of 200 men abandoning all of their hopes. Then take heart, men. The angel said, this too shall end. Don't forget it, right up ahead the sun is shining. Can't see it yet, but you will find it. Moses and them, they kept on striving. Job lost it all, but God provided. Jonah went down, but came up rising. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Oh, oh, oh.
Kaden is at Sand Lake, surrounded by all the sand here in Oregon. Eating some chocolate covered pretzels. They're pretty good. We're waiting for mommy to come catch up with us. She was stuck in the shallow water, kept turning our boat around in circles. You made it! I know it's impossible, just take me wherever I wanted, huh?
No, but the I got like
don't forget it, right up ahead the sun is shining. Can't see it, but you will find it. Moses and them, they kept on striding. Job lost it all, but God provided. Jonah went down, became a rise. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Take heart, man, the angel said, this too shall end. Don't forget it, right up ahead, the sun is shining. Can't see yet, but you will find. Moses and them they kept on striving. Job lost it all, but God provided. Jonah went down and came up rising. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Jesus was dead, but is alive. Jesus was dead, but is alive.
So how was it, Kaden? Kaden. Kaden, how do you like the kayaks?
Lovely.
Really?
Lovely.